All right, guys, another episode of Should I Invest? And in this episode, we're going to talk about AMC, your favorite stock, your favorite ticker. Let's dive right in. I got the handy dandy Excel sheet. I got the good old MARKETSMITH in the background, which gives me all the information I need, all the earnings information, all the institutional information, scanners. Everything is all ready for me right here. If you guys haven't already signed up, there is a link in the description. They're doing a promo for $19.95. Go ahead, jump on board, and get your access to MARKETSMITH. Beautiful software that I use regularly here when I'm trying to research for stocks as well as day trading. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. We got AMC. Perfect. So AMC Holdings. We're going to take a look at the market cap. We see it's $3 billion, and that lines up perfectly. We're going to look at the shares right here. Shares is sitting at around 511. Perfect. We got that all set up as well. EPS is coming in as a negative 1.59. Therefore, PE will not be available. And return on equity will also be a big fat 0 there. All right. So now we're going to go dive in to total debt, and we're going to go to Yahoo Finance. Of course, we're going to dive right in. We're going to take a look at AMC. We're going to go to the financials, and what are we looking at here? We want to see the total debt. Where's total debt found? Total debt is found on balance sheet. All right, so we're going to scroll down. We see total liabilities, $2,611,000. We're going to plug that right in. Total assets, we got 10,821,000. So that gives us a negative number here, guys. Not something you want to see, especially in regards to the checklist going forward here. All right. So we're going to look at current debt. So we see the total debt is not great. Total assets not great. Let's take a look at current debt. All right. So current liabilities, we got 1.78. Okay. So these have to be paid off in the next 30 days, 60 days. Now we got current assets. So total current assets 1.8. All right. So the current debt is all right. We're doing okay here on the current debt and asset ratio. So we got a positive number there. Okay. Let's go on and take a look at operating income. Okay. So operating income, we're going to be under income statement. Okay. So operating income right here, you got negative 264,000, and you got total revenue, which is right up here, 3.8 million. What do we got here? We got a negative number. Okay, what are we looking for? We need 15 at least on this area here. So we got a negative number. Now we want to see, is cash flow increasing or decreasing? So we're going to pop right here to cash flow and take a look. So 2018 we had minus 53,000. 2019 we had 49, and 2020, right when we got that squeeze here, we still finished minus 1.3 million in cash deficit. 2021 minus 700, and trailing 12 months still looks like it's going to end in the negative as well. All right, so to answer this question, is cash flow increasing or decreasing? I would have to say it's decreasing. I'm not seeing a cash flow positive. I mean, and just speaking here, we are going from 1 million to 700 to 600. So in a sense, it is decreasing, but still a negative number that I don't really want to pay attention to here. Okay. Owned by management. We're going to take a dive right here, and we can see the management number is right here. MARKETSMITH gives it to us, 1%. Not bad. So 2 to 3% is usually average here. And another thing we want to take a look at is funds ownership. All right, is it increasing or decreasing? But this is where things kind of get interesting a little bit here with regards to AMC. All right, so AMC, we squeezed up here at the beginning of 2021. Okay, January 2021 to September was when this thing really just peaked out. Okay, and in December 2021, we had a pretty good, I guess September. So yeah, September 2021 and December 2021, we had a nice influx of funds come in on this thing. Okay. Now, this was pretty much right at the top here. They came in, bought September 2021. It's quarterly based, right? So we don't really know when they got in. We know by September 2021, we had number of funds 527. And by December 2021, so somewhere between September and December, we added another 160 more funds to the pool here. Okay. Now, what's interesting is although price has drastically pulled back here, these funds are still in. Right? If we take a look at 685, 670, 660, 626, the big chunk of the funds are still in, and the stock has really dropped all the way from 40 down to $5.80 now, right? So something interesting to note, but in regards to the actual spreadsheet here, and is the funds increasing or decreasing? Technically, 685, 675, 660, 626, the funds are actually decreasing here. Okay, so in accordance with this Excel sheet and the checklist that we've provided it for it to give us a pass or fail, AMC has unfortunately failed. It is not something I'm going to be buying for the long term. I might start throwing some cash at it as a lottery at around $3 if it does ever get there. I remember the first time before this squeezed, I started this at like $3. I got out at like $5. So if it ever gets back down to $3, I'll throw some more money at it. See if these old buyers pre-squeeze are looking to step back in here. All right. So again, Excel sheet says no. MarketSmith helped us with that information. If you guys don't have access to your MarketSmith, go ahead. Links in the description. Grab it. Let me know what ticker you want me to do next. Anything. Drop it down in the comments down below. Tell me what ticker you want me to research, and we'll see if it's something that I might want to invest in the long term. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode.